A U.S. military C-17 transport aircraft carrying several Indians deported for illegal immigration landed in Amritsar, marking a significant moment under President Donald Trump's second-term crackdown. The aircraft took off from San Antonio, Texas, and landed at Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport in Punjab's Amritsar, carrying 205 illegal migrants from Punjab and neighboring states. Upon arrival, the deportees will undergo verification of documents, ensuring all necessary checks are conducted before they are allowed to leave the airport. This deportation is part of a broader effort by the Trump administration, which has used military aircraft to deport illegal migrants to countries like Guatemala, Peru, and Honduras. India has emerged as the farthest destination for such deportations, highlighting the lengths to which the US is going to enforce its immigration laws. The U.S. Embassy spokesperson emphasized that the United States is vigorously enforcing its border, tightening immigration laws, and removing illegal migrants. These actions send a clear message: illegal migration is not worth the risk, the official stated, reinforcing the administration's stance. India has shown its willingness to cooperate with Washington on illegal immigration, with the External Affairs Ministry indicating readiness to take back Indians who have overstayed or lack documentation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's upcoming visit to Washington underscores the ongoing collaboration between the two nations on this issue. With an estimated 18,000 illegal immigrants from India identified for deportation, the US is making it clear that it will continue to enforce its immigration policies rigorously.